Most people think that starting a software business takes months, thousands of dollars, and a team of developers. But what if I told you that I built one in less than 24 hours with $0? No coding, no tech skills, just a simple strategy that hundreds of others are using right now to build profitable businesses online from scratch. And the best part about this is the same exact business model that I personally use to make a very nice daily income online, working from the comfort of my own home. So if you've been struggling to make money online, jumping from one side hustle to the next, chasing shiny object after shiny object, without seeing any real results, this could be the breakthrough that you've been looking for. And before you think I'm just making this video to sell you some course or high-ticket coaching program, let me stop you right there, because I have no course and no coaching program to sell you. I'm actually giving you everything: my full step-by-step course, my templates, my blueprints, plus a live bootcamp, all 100% for free. All I ask in return is you just smash the like button, drop a comment down below, and consider sharing this video with a friend that you might want to do this business, or that you might want to join forces together and work on this business at the same time. All right, so now that you've smashed the like button, drop a comment down below so I can hook you up with that private link to unlock my free step-by-step course, templates, scripts, and the live bootcamp. Let's dive into this. So this model is called SaaS, or software as a service. And I'm going to show you guys here in just a second that you don't need any marketing experience or any prior tech skills to go through and make this happen. So what we're going to do here is we're selling software as a service as opposed to the traditional selling your time as a service, which at the end of the day, this makes this a whole lot more scalable. So to kind of give you a quick look at the model that we're going to be doing, is we're going to be helping small local business owners, but instead of running Facebook ads or doing SEO for clients, we're going to set them up with simple software solutions. And the cool thing about this, I'll show you guys here in a minute, some of these are simple as copy and paste. So if you can copy and paste on a Word doc, you can make this happen. Or some of these other ones only take about 5 minutes to set up, and it's just clicking a few different buttons. And then let me just move my head here. But what we're going to do is we're going to charge anywhere between $300 to $500 per month, so that we're creating monthly recurring income for our business. And a cool thing about this whole SaaS business model is, just like I said a minute ago, you're creating monthly recurring income. And it's also leveraged fulfillment, because you're not selling your time as a service, you're selling software as a service. There's extremely high profit margins. There's no revenue splits. It's not like some affiliate model. This is a much easier sales process because you're not charging an arm and a leg for these services. And unlike drop shipping or Amazon FBA, there's no shipping, there's no warehousing, there's no product creation, and at the end of the day, there is no trial and error. And as I mentioned earlier, with this SaaS model, it can be done by anyone with a laptop and an internet connection. And that is why I love this so much. So what we're going to do to make this business model work is we're going to leverage a pre-built, pre-coded software, and we're just going to slap our own logo on it, put our own domain, and connect our own payment processor so we can collect 100% of the payments. And we can charge whatever we want for the software. So for this example, I've got $249 per month, $399 per month, or $499 per month. And on top of that, inside of my free course, I have this professionally designed website where all you have to do is swap in and out your logo, connect your own domain, which I show you guys how to do that. It's very simple. And then I've already got all the different pages of all the different offerings and the pricing already done and set up for you with a white label demo to be able to show people exactly what your services offer. And the cool thing about this software, it does literally everything that a small business owner would need, and it's already pre-built into the software, so you don't have to do any additional work to build any of this stuff out. So for example, let's say you want to build your local business owner a website. So all you have to do is come over here to this websites tab, click on new website, and we're just going to grab one from the website template, because I don't know about you, but I am not a website designer. So we're just going to click on this, and it's going to pull up hundreds, if not thousands, of different website templates of all these different templates that we can go through and choose from. And so for this example, what I want to do is I want to come up here and I'll just say, let's do a health and wellness template. And so for this example, I want to say that I'm going to be working with the gym. So I'm just going to click on this right here. And I'm going to take a look at the preview of what this looks like. Looks good to me. So all I'm going to do is click continue, and it's going to automatically add this website to your client's account so you can set everything up for them. And it is so simple to go through and do this. So from here, what you can do is come into this website builder and easily click on any of these items, and you can customize the text and do whatever you want with it to customize it to this business. But the nice thing is everything is pretty much built out for you. So you only really have to customize a few bits of personal information for your client. And then from here, we would just hit save, and then we'd go through and publish it. And the truth is, a website means nothing if it's not getting any traffic to the website, if there's no visitors. So all we got to do is come over here to this launch pad, and we're going to connect the business's Google My Business profile. And so then we can start getting more reviews for this business to drive more traffic or drive more website visitors to this website. And once we go through and we connect their Google My Business profile, we just come over here to reputation, which reputation management is another term for online reviews, because the more 5-star reviews we're getting these small local business owners, the higher they're going to rank in Google. The higher they rank in Google, the more clicks they're going to get on their website. The more clicks they get on their website, the more visitors they get to their website. And so they're going to get more business and make more money overall. And then once we have their Google My Business account connected, all we have to do is come over here to settings, and then we just click on the Google reviews link, and then it's going to automatically populate with the link to leave a review on their Google My Business page, which these are not fake reviews, guys. These are all legitimate, real reviews of people that have worked with these past clients. We're going to be able to automate a text right here and also emails that will send out this link to get more 5-star reviews on their listings so they'll show up in Google. And then on top of this, one thing that I love, and it's super simple to go through and set this up, is something called auto missed call text back. And so if somebody calls into a business, but they don't answer the phone, which statistics show 62% of calls to small businesses go unanswered. So what we want to do is we want to set up an automated text to go out to these people that are calling the business so they don't just go and call the next business owner. So you can see I've already got this checked on, but all you literally have to do to set this up is just toggle this on, enable missed call text back, and you can customize whatever the text says right here. Just click save missed call text settings, and now if somebody calls the business, instead of them getting a no answer or leaving a voicemail, an automated text goes out to that client. So if this person is looking for a new gym, for this example, they're not just going to call the gym and then call the next gym and then call the next gym. They are going to actually get this text and then text back and forth. And we can actually even set up a little conversation AI bot to message back and forth with that client. And so the gym owner, if they're in a personal training session or if they don't have an assistant or a secretary, we can actually train AI to answer all of the follow-up questions so you don't have to answer them for them and the business owner doesn't have to answer it either. And this software literally does so much, and we don't have to even set up all these different things for the small business owner. But for example, we can go through and set up automations where we can go through and pick a pre-built automation where if we have a client that works with Shopify, or we can automate Instagram comments, we can automate Facebook comments, automate emails, texts, voicemail drops, email drip sequences. There's so much automation that we can put in place to simplify the life of the business owner. And as you can see here, these are all pre-built automations, so you don't have to have any crazy tech skills or marketing experience to go through and make this happen. And on top of that, we can even go through and connect all of our clients' social media channels, their Facebook account, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, all the different social media channels, and we can actually go through and create a new post. We can even have AI create the post for us, and then we also have a calendar so that you can see all of the posts scheduled out and show your client all the different posts that are being scheduled across all of their social media platforms. Then we can also connect all their communication channels in one place. Their Facebook DMs, their text messages, their Instagram DMs, their emails, their voicemail drops. And so they can just look at everything in one simple location and not have to jump back and forth from one social media platform to texting, to emailing, to the live chat widget. And it's all in one simple location so they never lose another deal. Now, I know that was probably a lot to take in, and there's a lot of different features with this software, which you don't have to offer every single one of these features. What I typically like like to do is just offer 1 or 2 simple features, get them set up. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes to set these features up, and we can charge a monthly recurring fee for them to go through and use this software. And if you're thinking, well, why would they pay us if it's so simple to go through and set up? And if you're asking that, you probably haven't worked or talked with a small local business owner lately. I've now worked with over 15,000 small local business owners, and even as simple as this might be, they would rather pay somebody a small monthly fee to do it for them just to remove more things off of their plate. And that is where you come in, and that is where this is such an amazing, underrated, very profitable side hustle that you can start today and start setting this all up for small local business owners in your area. It doesn't really matter what type of small local business owner. It could be an electrician, a plumber, a chiropractor, a hairstylist, a massage therapist, a dentist. Any type of small local business owner would benefit from these software solutions. And as I mentioned earlier, I give away all of my training, my courses, my templates, my website designs 100% for free. So if you just smash the like button, drop a comment down below, I'll share with you my free step-by-step course, which is going to show you how to get clients, how to set this software up step by step, how to fulfill for clients so that they're actually getting results, so they'll want to continue paying you on a monthly ongoing basis. And as I showed you guys, and as I mentioned earlier, a lot of these things only take about 5 to 10 minutes to set up one time. There's no ongoing Facebook ad creation or SEO backlinks or all this ongoing management. And that's why we can charge $300 to $500 per month per client and still make it work, because we're not selling our time as a service, but we are selling software, systems, and tools as a service to these small business owners that's going to bring in massive value, and you just keep stacking up that monthly recurring revenue and keep getting new clients every single month. So anyway, guys, I hope that was helpful. Once again, just smash the like button, drop a comment down below, and I'll share with you guys a private link to unlock all of my stuff for free. Courses, templates, coaching. We do weekly live coaching that you'll be able to jump on, ask us any questions. Like I said, we don't have any upsells to any other additional paid services. All we do is ask you to use our link to sign up for the software. And the way that works is it's going to cost you nothing more for the software, but we'll get a little bit of a kickback, which will allow us to go through and give you all of these courses, templates, scripts, coaching, 100% for free. So with that said, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. A quick shout out to our sponsor, launchmysoftware.com. You can sell custom AI software to small business owners who already want to buy, and you can keep 100% of the profits. Go to launchmysoftware.com right now to learn more and start your extended 30-day free trial. Hey, real quick, if you want my 100% free course on how to go through and start your own digital marketing agency, how to get clients, how to fulfill for clients, all of my website templates, my proven sales funnel templates, all my scripts, then there is a link down below in the description as well as in the top comment. It's going to allow you to get an extended 30-day free trial to the HighLevel software, plus unlock all of my courses and bonuses, everything for free, plus weekly live coaching with myself. You can jump on Zoom. Ask me any question that you want. All right, so just click down on the link in the description in the top comment, or go to launchmysoftware.com. It's going to take you into the same place. Now, with that said, back to the video.